from work, but I decided to do some work, just a tiny bit. I'm going to sand down the walls a bit, see if I can get the same texture on the old part of the walls as the new one. I've got a base paint with some sand in it, and we'll see how that goes. I'm going to try a roller and I'm going to try a brush to see which one works best, so that these won't be visible in the future whenever there's lighting on the walls, etc. So let's see how that goes. Not looking great. I'm not a fan of any of these methods that I tried. Here was just going up and down. This was basically a zigzag, and that was the roller. That looks very sandy right now. We'll see. That one looks not great, and that one looks stripy. I do have a lot of work to do on these walls, as you can see here. I knew that. I have that everywhere on these walls. So what I'm gonna do is let that sit. We'll see how that turns out whenever it's dry, and I'll get working on plastering again. I'm gonna do a second or third layer on all of these walls everywhere, just to even them out further. So I've been downstairs sanding walls, but I didn't have the energy for that today. So what I'll do instead is fasten these properly. We didn't have long enough hammer nails or hammer nails enough the other day when we were doing this, so I'm going to do it now when I have new ones, longer ones and better ones. So I'm going to fasten these all over. And then hopefully tomorrow or the day after that, we'll have the material that's going to go here. It's been quite delayed, to say the least. So yeah, let's get going with that, and then we'll see if I'll have a day off or not. Today we have a stunning day. We are, however, working indoors. Anna is sanding the walls, and I'm supposed to do a layer of plaster all around the walls. The texture is a bit, it's a bit too coarse, I think. So I'm going to do a really thin layer, and then we'll sand that down, and then we'll take it from there. So let's get going. That's gonna be it for today. I am not gonna finish the room. The hand got a beating. I've got a terrible blister in my hand. We have basically half the room ready. We still have a bit more to go. About that. I'll do that probably not tomorrow. It's the day after. I have mixed up another batch That's the result from the work yesterday. My hand is in pretty bad condition. I'll do as much work as I can on that wall today. We'll see how that goes. I'm very happy with yesterday's work. It's looking great. When you touch the walls now, they're very, very smooth. They're not perfect. They don't have to be, but I will see. Once I sand them down a bit, I'm gonna take it from there, and then we'll see whether I need to do some more work on them or if they're fine as they are. They're way, way, way better than these walls, which are filled with old strands of hair from horses, I think, bits of stones and all sorts of things. So yeah, let's get going, and we'll see how far I get. It's the day after, and apart from it being very damp in here, it looks fantastic. I'm super pleased with the result so far. I am going to sand down, I think, that wall and then try and paint it with the base paint to see if I can get a decent granularity and without the traces from the openings I did down there. It hasn't really dried up yet, but yeah, looks good so far. I'm gonna give that a try. Anna is on a mission to clear up in the garden. She wants to remove that tree, which is basically not a real tree. It's basically just weeds that has overgrown, and she also wants to remove a few of those. We're also removing these, but that's not going to happen today. So we'll see. She's on sewing duty, if that's even a word. I'm just gonna go get some tools for her, and then I'll be working inside. So I've been helping Anna taking down some trees. I'm gonna head inside and continue sanding the walls, and then do first layer of paint over here. So yeah, let's get going. So this is actually some sort of milestone in the project here. That's the first real paint that we actually have on a wall. Even though it's not real paint, it's like it's very, very strange. It's like a sandy sort of paint plaster thingy. We'll see how this turns out, if we like it or not, once it's dried. I'm not going to do the whole wall. I might have to do more work on this wall. I don't want to sand down the whole wall again. I might have to scrape away at some point, some places, because the old pink paint was flaking at some areas. I had one area right over here, right over there, that just flaked off. Yeah, we'll see. I might have to do another layer of plaster. I mean, I don't know, we'll see. Take it as it comes. I'm gonna let that dry. I am going to mix up a batch for this room. I want to start working on these walls. Actually, I'm not gonna mix up a batch because I need to finish what I started with scraping these walls before. But after that, I'm gonna mix up a batch, which might not be today. Let's see how Anna is doing in the garden. If she's even in the garden. She is. Here she is. How's it going, Anna? She's cutting away. The never-ending story of gardening. Okay, I'm gonna head inside again.
So I just wanted to show you these ivy plants that are taking over the garden, as you can see here. And we really want to keep this beautiful old plants. And the ones we're not going to keep, we're going to give it to some neighbors. But for sure we're going to keep these two. And maybe we give this to some neighbor, but they're beautiful. Look, they're flowering in the middle of the winter.
Yeah, strange.
So we're making a little cleanup in the garden, and
yeah,
in the meantime you work in the house.
Exactly, I'm trying to. The project is growing. We are removing plants all over the place, and that's also full of vines. Yeah, I mean.
And then we're gonna have a beautiful greenery.
Yeah, we're gonna build a wall of plants here.
Yeah.
To cover the road. I quite like that sign though. But yeah. All right.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Let's get going. Now, finally, I'm gonna head inside. It was nice to do something else for once, even if it was just stupid gardening. And by stupid, I mean doing it by hand without any proper tools. We're gonna chainsaw down the rest. But Anna wanted to do some minor work, and it turned into more work than anticipated, as usual. The wall is still here. We'll see if I need to do more work on that, I guess tomorrow. I'm gonna head into the office and continue scraping on the walls. I wanted to plaster these, but I need to remove all of that first. So I'll get going on that, and then we'll see what the day brings. I'm gonna stop the time lapse right there. That is just terrible. There's really no before after, and I'm just wasting your guys' time. A few of you asked me about the jumpers I've been wearing lately, if I had a web shop for those. I unfortunately don't. I am, however, gonna set one up. I can't really say whenever that's gonna be done, but I'm working on it. So in the meantime, if you want to support the channel, you can do so by pressing the like button. You can comment down below, and you can also subscribe to the channel. With that, I'm going to end it right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!